How to log into the online banking of ANZ. Welcome to this new video of 1 2 Step everyone. If you also have an online banking account of ANZ, then in this video let me show you how you can easily log into it. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right in. The website of ANZ is called anzbank.com.au. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website, and to log into your account, you can see this login button on the top right. You can just click on it and it's going to take you to a new website or a new section from where you can see this login page. Now to log into your account, you'll firstly need to type in the registration number. This is the number that has been provided to you by the bank. So you'll need to type this in and then type in the password. If you happen to forgot these information, you can click on forgot login details and follow simple steps to recover your details. If you do remember them, type them in and then just click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking or internet banking of ANZ. So that was the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.